Okay, hello everyone. So today we have a Yamaha classical guitar g-231-2. He came in for a restring, but last minute he says that want to check for the tuning as well, because he's sometimes when he plays he goes out of tune quite often. My guess is because the guitar is pretty old. If I'm not mistaken, this guitar is in around 70s, made in the 70s, so it's quite old. Everything seems to be original. So what I did was I cleaned up the tuners, oiled it, tightened it, in hopes that it will stay in tune. Typically for the new strings for classical guitar, it will take a while for it to actually set in, so hopefully it will stay in tune. After that, we see how it goes. If it doesn't stay in tune that well, probably need to change the tuners in the near future. Okay, other than that, clean up and restring. So enjoy the rest of the video. I see you at the end of the video. Bye. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. If you need my help, you can contact me on WhatsApp 84189951. Bye.